Number one, paalaala, consolidated return of all transactions based on the reconciled data of stockbrokers. Period covered April 1 to 15, 2026. Next deadline is April 20. Ito po ay Monday. Quarterly information on OCWs or OFW remittances. Ito po yung exempt from DST, furnished by the local banks and non-bank money transfer agents. So for the quarter ending March 31, 2026. Next deadline is quarterly report of printer for the quarter ending March 31, 2026. Ayun. And then, e-filing and payment. Ito po ay sa mga online and manual taxpayers. BIR Form 1600 WP or yung remittance return of percentage tax on winnings and prizes withheld by racetracks operators for EFPS filers and non-EFPS filers. Period covered March 2026. Ayun.
Yan ang tax paalala kasama si Kapartner Crest. Maraming salamat po.